Hello friends, today we are going to see how we can check SERP for any location. So currently I am in Chennai. If I search for any queries, this is going to show me personalized result for Chennai only. But let's say my client is in Texas, Austin, Texas, and I want to see the local results for that Austin, Texas. How can I check it? So for that we are going to use free tool by Bright Local. So just head over to brightlocal.com/local search result checker. Here you can check results for Google search as well as Google Maps. So you need to enter your search query. For example, I want to find barbecue restaurants. For example, I need to enter the location as well. Like which location I want to find the keywords. So like what is my target location? So my location is Austin, Texas. I have selected the correct country here. Language is English. Google search is already there. Click on check search result. So you can see it is showing multiple pages, page 1, page 2, which page you want to check. So I'm clicking on page 1. So you can see we are getting results for Austin, Texas, and all the results are for Austin, Texas only. So you can use this tool to check specific location results in Google search. Thank you.